everybody. So as promised, you're getting a little twofer here. Just a little quick tutorial on how to use track changes in Word, and then how to use the editing feature in Google Docs. So we can just assume that I have this chart here. It could be a document, and we can assume that it's a classmate's document, and we want to review it. So it's pretty easy. You come up here and I have a Mac, so it might be a little different for yours, but I come right here to review and have tracking. So it says track changes. So we turn it on, okay? So now what happens is if I type anything in here, like it makes it like red or whatever, or I could like highlight this word and then hit comment, new comment. What's this mean, right? And you can see it puts my comment over there. I really don't like that Word always defaults to red. I don't like the red. I think I can go to Word, to Preferences. Is it to edit? Oh, let's look at that. I don't know. But there's a way to change the color for the track changes somewhere in here. But for example, if a second person were to also suggest changes, they might make theirs blue, so you know like who's whom. So that's that. Now, and then you can just save it as normal and send it to the person. And sometimes what'll happen is your peer review partner might send you the document, and you may not see any suggestions at all. So even remember, as a reader, you might have to come to review, tracking, track changes to see the changes they made. And so, like, you know, let's say I have this question here, and we look at it, can comment on it, or what if I right click it, I hit resolve, and it's gone. Right click it, I'm gonna delete, bye bye, right? So then when you're editing your own document, that's how you'll get rid of those. Okay? All right. Pretty easy, right? And so then in Word, I'm here in a document, and you can see like here, Paul, Professor Chang has already made a comment about something, and it's just the same. So it's kind of nice in Google Docs because I can like highlight this and just hit the add a comment, you know, and add my comment. But in another angle, what I can do, I can come right up here to the little editing mode feature. I can hit that and make sure it's on suggesting. So that way, if it's on suggesting, I can be like, I think there should be a comma there. And if I enter it in, see, it just suggested it. And then the next person can either, or the author could either accept it or reject it. See, that's pretty nice. I actually like the layout in Google Docs better than in Word. So, you know, you can highlight something, add your comment, or can type right in, and if I've already hit suggesting up here, then it's gonna you know, separate it, highlight it as a suggestion that the author can then accept or reject. It used to be an add-on. So you can see in my add-ons, I had a track changes add-on there. But it's not really the case anymore. Oh yeah, I had this change case. I don't remember why I had that, but I think Google Docs now has more text options. So there you go. That's it. Now remember, everybody, when you share, if you're just going to share a Google Doc with someone, and it says, only people added can open with this link. I'm just confused by this new layout here. So it's like, okay. So I like to kind of click on that because anyone with a link is a viewer. You want to make sure that they're either an editor or a commenter. I would do editor, okay, and then get the link. So if they're an editor, they can come up here, and turn themselves into a suggester so that way they could write inside your text. If they're a commenter, they're just left to these little doohickeys over there. Okay? All right. Hope this helps.